And welcome back. Well, you've heard the phrase, what you don't know won't hurt you. Well, that could not be further from the truth when we're talking about a common heart condition.
Here are the results from a new study about a condition called AFib and one patient who was glad he knew he had it.
Atrial fibrillation is a really common abnormal heart rhythm. It's an irregular heartbeat, also referred to as AFib. A survey that was performed recently has shown us that many people are completely unaware of atrial fibrillation. In fact, 61% of adults age 40 or older are unaware of atrial fibrillation. So this shows us that we really have an opportunity to increase awareness and increase understanding of this arrhythmia. And it's really important because one of the problems that people can have from atrial fibrillation is stroke. Atrial fibrillation results in a 5 times greater risk of having stroke than if you don't have atrial fibrillation. So because millions of people have AFib, it's important to know about it to try to reduce your risk of stroke.
And certainly in my case, I was one of the people that was totally unaware of the situation associated with the risks of AFib and stroke and was unfamiliar with the terminology. When I turned 70, I started to experience some rhythm problems and was seeking clinical advice to address the situation. I went out running one morning and unfortunately did experience a stroke associated with AFib. Was able to get to a hospital that had a good stroke team and was able to get the situation under control. And over the past 3 years, I've been able to live an active life with good clinical supervision in terms of responding to the issue.
And there's a great initiative. There's a Matter of Moments initiative that's by Bristol Myers Squibb Pfizer Alliance, and that initiative has, the whole purpose of it is to raise awareness about atrial fibrillation and stroke risk. And if you have these symptoms, give you the opportunity to report these symptoms to your physician so you can get the appropriate care. There's also a website you can go to find out more about signs and symptoms and risk factors for atrial fibrillation and stroke, and it's called amatterofmoments.com. So I encourage you to take a look at that website.
All right, thanks, doctor. That website again is amatterofmoments.com.